Welcome to the next video. Today we'll talk about how advanced analytics and artificial intelligence, AI, are revolutionizing the management and operation of photovoltaic projects. Can you imagine making accurate decisions based on large volumes of data that optimize the efficiency of a solar plant? That's what we're going to explore today. If you want to find out how you can use AI to improve your operation, stick around to the end and I'll show you how to apply these concepts in practice. First, let's define what advanced analytics is. In simple terms, it is the process of applying sophisticated methods, such as predictive and prescriptive analytics, to interpret large volumes of data. Descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive analytics. Advanced analytics goes beyond simple reporting. It is not only about describing what has happened, but also about predicting what will happen and, more importantly, suggesting what actions to take. Advanced analytics can transform data into actionable information, enabling smarter, faster, and more evidence-based decisions. Now let's talk about artificial intelligence. AI is the ability of machines to learn from data and perform tasks that traditionally require human intelligence. This includes pattern recognition, behavior prediction, and automated decision-making. Machine learning. Within AI, machine learning is one of the pillars. It refers to algorithms that learn from data and improve their performance over time. Supervised and unsupervised learning. Machine learning can be supervised, where we tell the algorithm what we want to predict, or unsupervised, where the algorithm finds patterns without human intervention. AI is enabling PV plants to become more efficient, from energy production prediction to preventive maintenance. Now that we understand the basics, let's look at how advanced analytics and AI are transforming the PV industry. Energy production optimization. AI algorithms can predict energy generation with high accuracy, using weather data, historical production, and other key factors. Predictive maintenance. One of the biggest benefits of AI is its ability to predict failures before they occur. This allows maintenance to be planned proactively, avoiding costly downtime. Financial optimization. Advanced analytics can also optimize the financial performance of a PV plant, adjusting parameters in real time to maximize efficiency and reduce costs. These applications not only improve operational efficiency, but also enable companies to make more strategic and data-driven decisions. To take advantage of advanced analytics and AI, there are several tools that make it possible to apply these concepts in PV plants. Programming languages and libraries. Python is one of the most widely used languages in advanced analytics, along with libraries such as Pandas, scikit-learn, and TensorFlow. Data visualization platforms. Tools such as Power BI and Tableau allow the creation of interactive dashboards that help monitor plant performance in real time. Cloud infrastructure. Today, it is possible to process large volumes of data using cloud platforms such as AWS or Google Cloud. These tools are facilitating the implementation of advanced analytics and AI in energy projects of any scale. As we have seen, advanced analytics and artificial intelligence are transforming the PV industry, enabling greater operational efficiency, better strategic decisions, and lower costs. If you want to know how to implement these technologies in your projects, contact me on LinkedIn. The solar energy of the future is driven by data and technology. Are you ready to take advantage of it?